This is my GenStone project. The color is vanilla bean, and built a fireplace wall. It is 9 feet wide by about 10 feet high. I chose not to do the ledger on top. That may or may not stay that way, but 74-inch linear fireplace paired with a 75-inch TV. The GenStone was really easy to cut. I have a long slide compound miter saw. That was enough for the panels. The panels are about 41 inches long and just over a foot high. So where I'm at with the project is it's all up, but if you've seen the directions or reviewed any of the product whatsoever, what we've got going on is I've found my soft spots, screwed in my soft spots. This is just 1/2-inch drywall behind it and on the frame. So what we're doing now is the color matching and the caulking between gaps, seams, screws, like right there, to cover those soft spots. And wherever it was in different places that may have rubbed off just from me messing with it or putting it on the miter saw. But yeah, very, very easy to mark, very easy to cut here. In order to get this linear fireplace in, you could see I had to use a rasp and I just shaved it down. But they come with a paint kit and we'll be able to paint that up to match, no problems. Those are some of the high spots. There's that gray is what you see when you file it down right there. So really it's just arts and crafts time at this point. We're looking at doing the exterior of the house now, but very, very pleased with the GenStone product.